Hi everyone, welcome back. In previous video, we saw about how to create custom tag helper with simple logic. But in this video, we are going to see how to create custom tag helpers with complex logic to create a custom grid control. Let's see how to do that. Open the Visual Studio, which we used on last session. In our last session, we created this simple tag helper. Simply, it displays our name along with this text. That's it. But here we are going to create some complex tag helper. Let's run the application. Click on employee manager. Here we have this grid, right? This grid, how we created this grid. Go to index.csv. We are having some table. Inside the table, we are looping this model and we are displaying that. The same way, we are going to create a simple tag helper, complex tag helper. Let's create it. Go to tag helpers folder, right click, add new class named myGrid tag helper. Init invite tag helper. Need to create. Now to resolve these conflicts. Yes. Now go to this and use the same. Okay. Copy this method and we can modify it. In this method, say this is okay, but we are going to create one grid. For grid control, we need some data, right? For the data, we can create a model that is public enumerable employee model. Okay. Now we can resolve this. Okay. Now table HTML tag is big. We are going to create it as a string builder. String builder. All of you know that how that HTML tag for table exists. First table, then table header, then table body. Inside table header, we have table row and TD. Inside table body also, we have table row and TD. Let's construct that table. HTML dot one table definitely we need closing tag inside the table we have table header head. Definitely we need closing tag for that. Right. Table header we need table row. Definitely we need closing tag for that. Right. Here we can have TD. We have employee name, age, department, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. First we are going to implement first 3 columns. Employee name, age, department. Name, closing tag for this city. Then department name, and have age. We have completed table setup. Now we are going to start with table body. HTML start the body. Definitely we need closing tag for the body. Okay. Inside that the body we need to loop through this employee record and we need to display it. So I'm going to introduce for loop between the body open tag and closing tag for each where MB in dot open. We need to set here table row and we need closing tag for that. Set here we need TD. I'm using this. But instead of age we need to provide name. Then we can copy and repeat this for department name as well as age. Here department name. Okay. Here HTML is not a string, it is string builder. So we need to convert it to string. That's it. Stop and run the application. Sorry, we created only tag helper, but we not use this tag helper. We need to use tag helper here. We already have some table. Above that table, I'm going to create tag helper. Tag helper is I'm going to provide HTML target name my one. So I'm going to use it. It comes it, and I need to pass model for that. What is the model? We have model here. That's it. Now I can run the application. Click on employee management. It will not form correctly. The employee name. Yes. reload it, stop and yeah, the below grid is created by our old table tags, but above grid is created by our tag helper, custom tag helper. Okay, we successfully created a custom tag helper. But same way we can implement this hyperlinks and navigation also from this tag helper. So in our next session we can see how to include one more column with hyperlink navigations in tag helper. Thanks for watching.